Yo, fellow investors, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? And today we're going to be talking about we're going to be diving back into how to be able to utilize, an app that I personally think is going to be able to help you guys take advantage of it. Now, some may have access, others may not. If you guys watch this video and you want access to it, definitely make sure y'all DM me on Instagram at official Tyree Samuels. But without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to be able to get exclusive messages, right, with trade ideas, with markups, with investment tips on how to be able to take your investment portfolio and your day trading portfolio to the next level. So if you guys are interested, definitely make sure y'all stick around for the next clip. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. All right, bet. So back at it once again. Favorite investors, favorite investor, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. Now, before y'all go any further, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button for the YouTube channel, because y'all know y'all want to be able to be the first ones to get the notifications, and I want you to be the first people as well too. So that's going to help you guys get them as soon as they drop. Now, as I spoke on today is going to be meant for certain people, and it's going to be an exclusive group. So I'm actually going to show you guys something called Pip Talk. Now, Pip Talk is actually going to be something to where you have exclusive trade ideas, exclusive investment ideas that get sent out to an app. There's also a desktop version. As I mentioned previously before, if you guys want to be able to gain access, definitely make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram at official Tyree Samuels and DM me. I'm ready. Okay. So now I'm about to go ahead and dive directly into it. So you guys want to start off with logging into the website called im.center. Okay. Whenever you log into im.center, you're actually going to be able to see you guys are going to have access to something called Pip Talk. So the thing I want you guys to understand is I'm going to have two different parts of this video. I'm going to do the version of the desktop, and I'm going to do the mobile version. Now, the mobile version is going to be on the back end part of this video. It's going to be extremely short, because once I go through the desktop version, it's basically all the same. It's just, visually, sometimes the app looks a little different than the desktop. So if you guys notice over here where it says Pip Talk, all I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and click on it. All right. Now, after I click on Pip Talk, you guys are actually going to see it's going to be names of different individuals that will be within this Pip Talk. So some of the things I actually want to be able to show you guys is the way that Pip Talk works. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you guys, some of the people that I personally follow on Pip Talk. And outside of the individuals that I'm going to recommend, it would kind of be upon you to, do your research, click on some of the channels, see like what they have to offer, and, just dive into it. So the people I'm going to recommend are people I've researched, people I follow for a while, and people that I have my trust in to be able to recommend to you guys as well. So what I'm going to start off by doing is I can actually type in the names of the individuals so I can skip, funneling through everybody. So one of the individuals who I personally like is going to be Andre Boyd. Okay. And what I'm actually doing is I'm actually show you guys the educators on Go Live as I'm actually pointing them out, so you guys can actually know who to go follow, who you can actually watch to be able to learn their strategy and so on and so forth. So Andre Boyd actually goes by, like an alter ego similar name, which is going to be Lex Wave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Go Live. I'm going to go where it says pick a channel. I'm going to select the FRX Academy, and I'm going to show you guys how to be able to locate Lex Wave. So if I scroll down, you guys are going to see right here, here's going to be Lex Wave. So his real name is Andre Boyd. He goes by Lex Wave. So he goes live about 4 days a week, 8 a.m. Eastern every day. And for any of you guys that want to be able to start tapping into him, I always recommend to people, always check to see if an educator has a favorite session. And if they have a favorite session, I usually recommend start from the bottom and, gradually, don't binge watch it, gradually start working your way up. Okay. Now, with that being said, it's going to be Lex Wave. So if I click on where it says view, this is basically how Pip Talk works. So Lex Waves is going to be a foreign exchange educator. So he does live trading on his sessions. He also sends out trade ideas to his actual, to his Pip Talk channel. So one example I'm actually show you guys. Now, if you guys see, this is an example of different trade ideas that Lex Waves actually sends out. So one thing I'm going to show you guys is if I scroll down right here, we'll read this real quick. So NZDJPY H1. The market idea was given yesterday on today's session distributions. I'm honestly not going to read that whole thing. So y'all get the point. Now, the concept of it is if I actually click on the graph, you guys are actually going to see Lex Waves is actually showing you guys, right, a markup. So this is going to represent the entry, which you can see the 77.120 represented to the left. The stop loss is going to be represented by this red number, and then the final take profit is going to be represented by this number. So for anybody that might be looking at this and you're initially confused, that's going to be more of a reason to hop on his live trading sessions. And he's actually going to break down every single trade idea that he will send out to this Pip Talk channel. So, a couple more things I can click on. This is an example of a trade that you see it got close to the entry. Click on another one, GBP USD. You can see GBP USD actually did not come back to the area he was looking to, sell it from. I can click on another one, Euro USD. So you can see he was looking for a Euro USD opportunity. Now I want to see something that maybe is already played out so you guys can see an example. So this is an example of a trade I did. As you can see, it actually did hit the entry. And if you come back, you can see he said price went about 10 pips. So this is an update that he's going to give you guys, letting you guys know exactly how to be able to manage these trade ideas. So on this one, USD Chef, he's letting you guys know. So if you guys see USD Chef came, it hit his entry, and then ended up trading down about 69 pips. So he actually would have come and given an update. Hey, target 3 has been achieved. So it actually showed you guys how long ago it's been sent out as well. And if you guys want to be able to take advantage of getting the notifications, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe so that you guys can get access to it. Okay. Now, the next individual I'm going to recommend and Pip Talk is going to be a DCX educator, which is going to be crypto. So I'm not going to go over a whole lot of educators because you guys get the gist of it. So this individual's name is going to be Mike Sotero or Sotero. Okay. So if I actually go live, I can go locate him. So what I can do is from the home page, I can actually scroll down. I can locate the DCX Academy. So if I click on the DCX Academy, right, what you guys are going to see is if I scroll down, you guys will see Mike Sotero right here. So he actually goes live 3 days a week. His intro, which for beginner sessions is going to be Sunday. Today that I'm actually doing this video is Thursday. So he does not have a session today. It's pretty much done for the week, but no worries, because if you click on him, I'm sorry, if you click on him, you'll actually be able to see, just like the other educators, he actually has a favorite session. Now, the dope thing about his favorite session is if you guys take the time and go through this, you're going to be very, very knowledgeable on everything that's going on. On top of that, what you guys are actually going to be able to see is he actually has an 8-day boot camp. So if you guys start from day 1 over here, you can finish off on day number 8. On top of that, he actually did a second boot camp to where it's a 3-day one. So he actually did 2 different full-fledged boot camps that you guys want to be able to tap into. So if I actually go back to his Pip Talk channel and I click on view, what you guys are going to see is this is crypto. So this is not Forex. So in a similar fashion, he's going to let you guys know whenever he's going live. Hey guys, we're live, tap in. Hey guys, make sure we get started in 10 minutes. Hey guys, Monday, this is going to be the session time. But some of the doper things is he's going to give you examples of charts that he's going to mark up, so where he's showing you guys where he's looking to invest. Okay. So like anything else, what you guys have to understand is he's going to give you guys ideas of trade ideas that you could potentially invest into, but that does not mean that you have to invest into it, because guess what? Disclaimer, he is not a financial advisor. So always make sure you guys are hopping on a session so you guys know exactly what you're doing, because last thing you want to do is you don't want to hop into something all willy-nilly. Okay. It's the last thing that you really want to do. The first thing you want to do is educate yourself. The last thing you want to do is hop in something with, the fact that you're being uneducated. So as you guys see, it's a few different charts that he's going to mark up, give you guys access to it. So that's definitely something that you guys really want to be able to make sure that you're utilizing. And as I said, if I go back, this is going to be Pip Talk. So you guys are actually able to see how I was able to, click and show you guys examples of pretty much how to be able to maneuver through Pip Talk. The last person I'm going to show is going to be Anaz. As you guys can see, he actually has 2 different channels. So Arabic channel, he also has a crypto English channel. Both channels are English. Both channels are crypto. So you'll see, this is actually an educator who you guys notice is actually going to call out trade ideas for crypto. So as I click on these, you guys will see a notification when he sends a new trade set up to our DCX harmonic scanner. This is another example of a trade idea he is actually looking for. And same concept. If I actually go back, I want to be able to show you guys right here, Anaz. So if you click on Anaz, I'm not sure if Anaz has a favorite sessions, like any videos in his actual favorite sessions. Well, I was wrong, because he definitely does. So here you guys go. So here are actual videos you guys can go through so you guys can learn how to be able to take advantage of that. Okay. So with that being said, this is pretty much going to be a wrap on how to be able to use Pip Talk as far as the desktop version. So if I click on subscribe, you guys will also see all the ones I'm actually subscribed to. So you guys can take advantage of these. If you guys want to stop the video and do a screenshot so you can follow who I follow, you can do so. But with that being said, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video. And then the next portion that you guys see is actually going to be me showing you guys how to use it on the app specifically. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Oh, my bad. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. All right, bet. So as I was saying before you guys saw my bloopers, so I went for the wrong camera. I went for my camera phone versus my laptop webcam. So with that being said, as I said, this one now I'm going to show you guys how to actually utilize the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm about to go ahead and hit screen record. 2, 1. All right, bet. So I'm about to go ahead and throw that up on the screen. Now, as you guys can see right here in the middle where it says I Am Academy, this is actually going to be the app you guys want to download. So download the I Am Academy app in either your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. If I click on that, what you guys are going to notice is it looks a little bit different. So here are going to be basically, you know, like all the notifications from the platform letting you guys know basically all the updates and everything that's happening. But in order to take advantage of Pip Talk, all you would do is hit on the message bubble where it literally says Pip Talk. And then this is going to be the same concept. So everything is in alphabetical order. So you guys can literally scroll, you know, click on somebody, view what they got going on, and pretty much just take it from there. So this is going to be an example of an educator. He actually does speak French, but this is actually going to be one of the educators that you guys, you know, can take advantage of if you see fit. So that would be an example of that. Same concept. Whenever you click on the educator, you know, you can hit the subscribe button, as you guys just see right there. If you want to unsubscribe from the educator, just select it one more time, right? The next thing that you guys want to be able to utilize is make sure your notifications are turned on. So make sure you go to your settings on your phone, set up your notifications. If I select where it says My Pip Talk are going to be the specific channels that I've already subscribed to versus just Pip Talk is going to be everybody. So if you see, I can actually scroll for a while. I'm not going to, but you guys kind of get the gist of it. The next thing is going to be, you guys see where it says about this app, help, back office, help center. You guys can play with that. And right here where the notifications are going to be at the top, right where the little bell is, this is where all the actual notifications are going to come. The ones that are grayed out, you have not viewed yet. The ones that are white are the ones that you've already viewed. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. And as usual, if you guys came to this video and learned something, let me make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because remember, you do not need to be selfish, and you guys need to make sure that you're not just keeping all this game for yourself, right? Next thing I would like you guys to do is if you could look at these two beautiful thumbs right here. I was trying to think of something else to say, but look at these two beautiful thumbs. Let me guys get you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I already said that. Let me get you to go ahead and hit the thumbs up, right? All over the place. So let me get you guys to go ahead and hit the thumbs up so YouTube can notice that I'm actually providing value and you guys are seeing that. I would like you guys to also like, comment, share this video with somebody who you feel like could use help. And with that being said, as usual, you guys already know how we rocking. I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you when you want to be. Peace.